All right, so where are we at? We're at...
This is the code that I did not write, but I did get from like files that we like downloaded from like the Arduino websites and everything and whatnot.
Yeah, Elegoo.com.
And then copied and paste, and then this is what we have.
Yeah, we're using duino.app. It's a free
thing that you can use on a Chromebook.
Yeah.
Because I'm using a Chromebook.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, so then...
Since I am 9 years old.
So this is, we've named it RGB.ino.
Well, we didn't do the INO, but
okay, fine.
Just RGB.
Yeah, so we named it RGB for our project. And then, so what this is basically supposed to do is what? It's
supposed to make this like fade with all colors of the rainbow. It, like changes it. It kind of like does a smooth transition from red to like an orangey to a yellow, and then green, blue, and then it starts over.
Okay, sure. And you can kind of see that with
like it says red high, green low, blue low.
Yeah, so
red output, green output, blue output.
Cool, huh? Okay, so then we're gonna go ahead and demonstrate this.
So we've got it right here.
Oh, let's show the build of this stuff, okay?
So there's these are all jumper wires. This one, the blue one, goes into the minus, like the -3.
This tilde, it's called a tilde.
Yeah.
Or tilde or something. Anyway, it's that little squiggle.
It's that little squiggly 3. And then the red goes to the squiggly 6.
Yeah.
The green goes to the squiggly 5.
Okay.
And then the black one goes into the ground one, and then up to the other bar of the breadboard. And then nothing is on the buses, but all of this is like within the 45 line. Okay. And you've got 3 220 resistors coming up to the same row where this is. Well, technically it's not a row, but it's like kind of like within the same line. Mm-hmm. All of them go into like the same line where the black cord goes, and then the there's like the white RGB that has like 4 different little legs.
Okay.
On there.
Yeah. And they all go into their own little nest.
because the 3 resistors connect up to it, and then the black wire is like kind of like in the same spot where the resistors go.
Okay.
But it's instead of a resistor, it's a wire instead.
Okay. And then you've got your
the cable. And then I'm gonna plug it into the computer so that it'll start up.
Okay.
And then here we go.
Oh my gosh.
There it goes.
Woo! Look at that. Good job. Really good job. Oh my gosh. Sweet. That's pretty cool. That is pretty cool.
I thought like maybe the red and black wires would be maybe like the battery wires, but no, it never said it needed any battery pack or whatsoever. So
cool beans.
In real life, it looks so much different than on a recording.
Oh, it sure does, yeah. But we can definitely tell that it's fading in and out, yeah.
On a recording, it looks like the whole thing is lit up, but in reality, the bottom part is not as lit up, but like the top part has like a slight. Yeah. It's like darker.
Okay.
You can see the light better. So this is the code.
Yeah. So if you want to like follow it along.
I'm just gonna scroll through.
There's comments that are defined by those little slashes, and kind of tells you what the code is doing, right?
I'm just gonna scroll through so everybody can see.
Yeah. Cool, huh?
Very slowly though. So that you can follow along it. Yeah. Maybe like pause it along the way.
Yeah, so that's pretty cool. And there's like open source code for all of these things to control the control board and all of the components that can marry up to it. So that's pretty cool. All right, we're gonna sign off for now, but
also, I forgot to tell you what we're doing next.
oh, what are we doing next?
Next, so we decided to bail on the LED board.
Yeah.
So now we're doing this like little art bug that's like we're planning on like taking apart a remote control car and then using like the wheels, because like the like buying all the parts in order to like make the parts that we need, it would cost like over $100. And you can buy a RC car at Walmart for like $6, so you save a ton of money.
Yeah.
We're not rich.
Someday. But anyway, yeah. So that might be the angle.
So it's like a little bug. It's like a bug. We have a drawing of it.
Right here.
Oh, actually, it's right here. So kind of like, there's like, this is like a marker, and it's held on by like rubber bands, and it's like 3D triangle that'll be like made out of like wood or cardboard for the prototype, wood for like the final build, maybe. Yeah. And then the wheels, they just help like move around, and then the remote control, so it like draws around on paper. This is like not the real size of it. Like the piece of paper is like, in reality, the car is like, it takes up like a third, like a fourth of the paper. Yeah. So I don't know how well it would work with that, but we'll try and make it as small as possible, or we could do it in a bigger version and we can make it like sidewalk chalk.
Yeah, we'll figure it out. This is all about just learning and discovering and playing and all that jazz. So
we're not really using the Arduino for it, but doing projects with the Arduino to make up for it.
Well, we can definitely we can learn about it and then understand how to use it in potentially a future build too. So
all I needed to use was like a few jumper wires. Blue, green, red, and black. Well, I suppose you could use any color, but they kind of use different colors in order to color code it. Okay. So that people could follow it more.
Yeah. Okay.
So you just need like the little brain, and then the wires, the breadboard, and like that one LED that has 4 different legs. Yeah. And then you also need like the little plug-in, and then the computer to code it with. But other than that, you're set. And also you need to like follow the code, or you could just like, if you did download the Arduino app, then on the web, then it'll like come up with all sorts of files and stuff.
Yeah, and this duino.app.
Wait, no.
It has a bunch of
you downloaded a different thing. It wasn't.
I know, but that. What I'm saying is that has some preloaded stuff. Yeah. So
if you go into library, here, I'll show you. So if you go here, and then you go into libraries, then there's all sorts of preloaded code. And there's millions upon millions upon millions.
Yeah, there's like, not millions, there's like,
but every time you reach the limit.
Yeah, there's thousands.
Every time you reach the limit, it just puts in a new limit, because like the amount of code, it's like endless. You can do endless amount of things with your Arduino.
All sorts of stuff. So pretty cool. All free. But anyway, we're gonna sign off for now. And
bye.
Bye.
Big hand.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bye.